the Xiaomi WIFI Amplifier. It comes in a very small package, so let's open it up. It's very easy to open it. We're gonna do it, just pull this thing, and okay, now I can remove the unit. Oh, the plastic is very good. Very good fitting hand. There's a reset hollow here, the LED indicator, there's a cap to protect the USB. There's two ways to use this. We may plug it to the wall and amplify the signal for the whole house, or we can amplify the signal for the computer. Just plug in the computer, and the computer will have a better signal. To plug it to the wall, we'll need a brick. Any brick will do it. And then plug to the brick, and now all we have to do is set it up. Okay, so let's set it up. To set it up is pretty simple. We need to download this application. It's available on iOS App Store or Google Play Store. Also, if you don't, we need to sign up to their service and then sign in here, and we can just add the device. We're gonna search for it in this list. Oh, here it is. The Mi Wi-Fi repeater. We click here, then we confirm. Okay, now we need to set the password, and we are set. Once you set the password, you just click next, and it's gonna connect. Okay, as you guys can see now, the light's blue, and this indicates that everything's just working. It amplifies the signal. It has two antennas. It can be used on the wall or the computer. It supports up to 16 devices. It's a USB interface that can rotate up to 180 degrees, and it supports the Xiaomi Smart Home app to connect it easily. Okay, to create the account is very simple. All we need to do is go to our smartphone and create there, or you can go to a web browser and click create account. We're gonna select our region. Let's go to United States. Okay, here we are. Then we're gonna type our email. I want to show you guys my email, so I'm covering. Then we click on create account. We need to enter our password. I can use this. Then we need to type the verification code. GE. Okay, and then submit. Okay guys, to summarize it all, it's an easy to set up, good quality, and very cheap. I think it's very worth it for the price we're paying for it. So this is it for today, and see you again in the next one.